Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 165 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu, and you can open the menu by pressing and holding the up button. Press and hold it until the menu appears on the screen. Once the menu appears, use the up and down buttons or scroll on the touch screen to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the option called Power Manager. Once you find it, you can tap on it or press the start button to enter. And here we have the battery saver. As you can see, the status is off at the moment. So if you want to turn on the battery saver, simply tap on it or press the start button to enable the mode. And once it's activated, you will see that the screen got a little bit dimmer and also status changed to on, and this switch became green, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you need to basically go through the settings again, enter the Power Manager menu, tap on the battery saver to disable it, and the status will go back to off, and the icon or the switch will turn gray, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also enable and disable the power saving mode different way, basically through the controls menu. To do it, press and hold the light button to open the controls menu, and here we have the list of shortcuts. And by default you won't see the power saving mode icon here. We need to basically add it, and to do it, press and hold the up button to open the menu, select the add controls option, then scroll through the list of controls, find the power saving or battery saver, select it and press the start button or tap on it to add it to the list. You will see the message control added, and if you go back to the controls menu, you will see that now we have more icons and one of them is battery saver. And if you select it, we have the status. You can press the start button to change the status to on, and we have the estimation right here, and as you can see, this battery saver is enabled. And of course, if you want to disable the mode, you can select the battery saver, press the button again to disable it, and of course once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the battery saver or power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.